Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the Protect X Smart Security Sensor on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport manual transmission. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so as I mentioned, we'll be installing this Protect X Smart Sensor, Security Sensor to a 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport manual transmission. And if you want to see the unboxing of this one, I made another video already. It's gonna be for a Tacoma also, 2020 Tacoma. I'll put the link in the description up here. So yeah, so if you want to watch the unboxing on that one, feel free to do so. But yeah, so for this one, we're just gonna simply do the actual install video and the demo, basically, on how it works, what are the features, basically, on the sensor. All right. So yeah. So but for this one, let me just do a quick review of this one. So again, this will protect your belongings, your cat converter. You can vent out your windows or your car while the engine is off. You can control it with your key fob. So yeah, so it's a simple plug and play solution, very easy. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, let's proceed with the actual install. All right, so this is what's inside the box. All right, so this is the main sensor for those who didn't watch the other video, but this is the actual sensor. This is the harness. So this is a piggyback harness or white cable. We have double-sided tape, a decal, and the manual. Let's go into the car. All right, so we need to start up the vehicle so that we can access the screws under the steering wheel on both sides. So one on the left, one on the right. So let's start this. Again, this is a manual transmission. All right, so those are the screws that we need to access. All right, so let's remove them now. All right, and then we just need to make sure that the steering wheel is straight. Okay, and then we can start removing the covers of the steering wheel column. All right, so on this one, again, you just need to remove the steering column. Just press it on the side and we can pull it down. So just remove this and we'll have access to the cables. This one has an extra wire, so you see it here. That's for the heated steering wheel. But let's see which actual harness we're gonna use, if it's the same one as the 2020 that we worked on before. So we'll just match the harness from the Protect X package. Okay, looks like it looks the same. So let's see. Okay, so again, make sure that you hear the click. Just make sure it's fully secured. Now this one, let's see if it's the same. I'll show you which one we're gonna plug in or remove and plug it into. All right, so this is the cable that we need to remove. So this one, so let's just unplug that, and then we're gonna plug in the one from Protect X. There you go. Again, this is a very easy install. So again, easy plug and play solution if you want security. So let's just plug this in. So it's the same procedure as the 2020. So even this one got the manual transmission. It's the same, a different ear. Again, make sure you hear the click. Now let's just plug this together. All right, so again, just connect this two. Here you go. And then this particular cable in here is the one that we need to connect to the smart sensor. All right, so let's do that and we'll find a place for it. All right, so we grab the sensor. We already sticked in the VHB tape in here, double-sided tape. So installing this, we're not going to use this two in here. We're going to be using the one here in the side. So just plug this in. All right. Again, this is a very easy install. There you go. Then you just need to find a place which we're gonna put it on top of the airbag housing of the one on our knees or legs. That's where we're gonna put it on. So if we want to clean this up, we can use cable ties or some cloth tape. You can do that. All right, so we're going to place this in here. If you can see my finger here, we're gonna stick the sensor in there. So if you want to wipe it, you can wipe that location. I did wipe it. So I'm just gonna stick it in here. So I'm gonna grab it and then stick it in there. So you see there? So just apply some pressure on it. Okay. Basically, that's about it. We just need to tidy up our wires. Okay. And we're gonna put the cover and we're gonna do some testing on it. All right, so let's do that. All right, so now it is installed. We need to wait 9 minutes before the full functionality will work. So let's lock it. And we heard that horn now that we locked it, meaning it's armed. So again, we just have to wait 9 minutes for it. All right. All right, so we went to this open parking lot and we're going to do the initial test in here. We're gonna test the windows or the windshield, hitting them up to see if we're gonna get an alarm. And then we're gonna try the lift or the tilt test if it will sound the alarm also. All right, so let's begin. All right, so we'll do the test. So we'll do the windshield inside. So let's just test it. So yeah, if you see there, the alarm went off by hitting the windshield. So yeah, so let's proceed with the other test. All right, so after hitting the windshield, I'm just afraid on hitting the windows here. It's just me, I'm just afraid. So I'm gonna hit it somewhere near the window to see if it will sound any alarm or anything like that. Right? It works. So yeah, so probably when you hit the window also, like smashing it on the actual scenario, most likely it will work also, because just tapping it here, it already gives you an alarm. So yeah, so it works. So now let's do the tilt test. All right, so we're gonna do the tilt test in here. So we're just gonna be jacking it up. This vehicle's a little lifted, so let's see if it will work. There you go, so it works. There you go, so it works. We're just gonna lower it, and yeah, so if you want to purchase this, it's very effective, easy plug and play solution. Yeah, so I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is the Protect X from ProMaster Electronics. Again, it's awesome. So now let's test the windows, if they will go up and down using our key fob. All right, so let's go. All right, so now time to open the windows. So all we need to do is press the button, the unlock button, and give it some time, a few seconds before pressing it again, so that you can continuously open the window like step by step, one level at a time. So if you see here, it keeps opening. See, I press it too fast and it didn't do anything. So if you press it, give it a few seconds, then press it again, it will open. Again, there you go. So you get the point. So now closing it, you just need to press and hold the unlock button, and it will automatically close all of the windows. Alright, so again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.